Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by confirming the basics: charged phone and unlocked screen because interruptions break mic access. Open settings, then general management. If you don't see it, use the search bar and type keyboard. Once done, tap Samsung keyboard settings. This is the control hub for input features. Why here? Because Samsung routes voice typing through the keyboard engine, not the microphone settings alone. Make sure your account is signed in so any cloud features sync correctly. Next, choose voice input or dictation inside keyboard options. You'll pick Samsung voice input or Google voice typing depending on preference. Toggle it on. This turns the mic button on your keyboard. When Android asks, grant microphone permission so the keyboard can capture audio. Once granted, test by opening any text field and tapping the mic icon. If you prefer offline use, enable enhanced voice recognition or download language packs, because that reduces latency and preserves privacy. Finally, verify functionality. Open messages or notes and tap the mic on the keyboard to dictate a sentence. Speak clearly and watch text appear. If nothing happens, make sure microphone permission is allowed for the keyboard app, then restart the phone to reset services. If speech is inaccurate, clear Samsung keyboard cache or reinstall updates to refresh language models. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice input fails after updates, toggle between Samsung and Google voice typing. Switching engines often restores function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.